Flame is that tiny part of big fire, and it is a beautiful thing to detect the flame before it becomes big fire. Welcome everybody in the new lesson of our Arduino tutorial. Today we're gonna learn how to make a flame sensor that detects the presence of a flame before that big disaster. So let's start with flame sensor module. It can detect the flame and the infrared light sources with a wavelength ranging from 760 nanometer to 1100 nanometer. See, the flame sensor module has 4 legs. We'll ignore A0, so D0 is connected to digital pin, plus pin is connected to 5 volts, G is connected to ground as usual. In this tutorial, I like to make alarming way, or let's say it alarms me in 2 ways. One of them is using light and the other way is using bell or sounder. When the sensor detects a flame, its reading becomes 1. When no longer flame, the reading is 0. And guys, here is the light or the LED that works as alarm of the flame. And now guys, we want to adjust the code just a little bit to detect the light using bell or sounder instead of light. So we're gonna just apply in the code a little bit. Let's say changing the code of light into the codes of sounds, like using tone and